Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to use ID to change the style. Now in order to use ID we are going to use div. Okay, I create div. Okay, div and \div. In the first one I'm going to just type something like Bobby is the best. Bobby is the best. And if you remember what is div is basically a box we create. I made a video previously, I think you watched it. I don't know if you watched it. It's a box basically. We create a box, text within a box. Okay, I create the first div, and the second div is basically I changed to something else. Hobbit is cool. Okay, now we want to change the style of this too. To do that I go to style, and whenever we want to change a div we have to put a hashtag. Okay, like class, if you watch my previous video I created class. For div we put a hashtag. Okay, now I put Bobby, and then I change the border to 2 pixel solid red, and position absolute, absolute, and then I'm going to move from top to top 15 pixel, and then I'm going to move from left 25 pixel. Okay, and then close the curly bracket. Now we have done the first part, and then second one I'm going to create another name. Let's call this one Hobbit, and inside of this one I'm going to change. Okay, I copy paste everything like this. In that way it will be much easier. Okay, now I'm going to change the name, this one into Hobbit, and border into let's put it green, and position absolute. From top I'm going to move to 65 pixel, and then from left to right I'm going to put 5 pixel. Okay, now if you go and refresh this one you can see nothing has happened, because like we did in class, we had to mention the div, like this hashtag thing, it's called ID. We had to mention it right here. Okay, to mention that one we have to just put ID is equal to Bobby, and then close it. Okay, that's the name we created, first one, Bobby. Close this one, and when you refresh this one you can see Bobby is the best. Okay, it's coming in the red color, that's what we want. And like that we had to do for this one as well. For this one I put ID equal the name we created is Hobbit, and then close it. Now when I refresh this one you can see it moved accordingly. The first one has to move top from top 15 pixel. Top 15 pixel mean it's gonna come to bottom 15 pixel, and left 25 pixel mean it's gonna go to right 25 pixel. It's happen opposite thing. Okay, for this one top 65 pixel mean it went down 65 pixel, left 5 pixel mean it went right 5 pixel, and that's it. That's how we use ID to style our div. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys later.